Okay, so to install AutoCAD 3D, first, once you get the zip file, I'll go to the zip file that I have installed in here. This is the zip file. First, right click and go to show more and use any GPin's extractor. Go to extract to here or extract here, any of this. So you'll be getting a file like this. And once you got the disk image file, right click and mount. Once you mount it, it will be available somewhere here. And then you need to just right click and click run as administrator. Once you do it, it will take some time and it will install. Go to finish. Done. Now the process begins from here. So for that, you need to first right click the task manager, go to details. If there is any LM guard file, LM tools, or LM something is running. See, there is no LM guard, LM tool, nothing is running. You will just follow this thing. If any of this LMGRD is running, then you need to close it. So see, there is no LMGRD, so I don't need to do anything. Then just follow this step by step. Then just right click and install this one. So I have this. Go there, right click and install. Open, next. Just click on next, next, next. Yes, finish. Copy this one, and as it has said that replace the ABA disk in cracked one. Default install is C, and then you need to then stop and running. Then you have to replace this one by cracked one. Copy this and go to C, and then Autodesk Network License Manager. Paste it over here. Okay. What is the next step? Replace this file. You'll be getting this over here only. Go to C and follow the path. Same. The program files, common files, Autodesk shared, licensing, current, and this is the agent. So just follow the same path. And here paste it. Net API 32 DLL. API 32 DL. Done. Next step is just right click this one, license.lic, open with it. You need to get the host name, and so just open this one, right click and open. You'll be getting the name of your PC. Control V. Just check if it is editable or not. If not, just no problem. Close it and open with Notepad. Here it will be editable. Paste it. You need to get the MAC details. MAC details is the first number of 2A. some letter will start and it will complete this. So copy this and paste it over here and just save. And where you have to save, you have to go again to the C Autodesk and save it as all files and just save. Once it is done, go to the next step. You don't need to do all these things, just follow what I'm saying. Then in part 2, now start network license manager manually. Run the lm.exe zclic dot from. Either you can do it like this, or I will just close my existing LM tools and I'm gonna start this. So I have already installed LM guards. If you don't have, you'll be getting blank over here. So I already have, so I'll just name it as FLEX LM Flexum PRVS service one. So this will, what it will do, it will create a new LM guard, etc. for a new LM tools. If you have already, if you are using Flexner server for already installed any of the software, if not, you can just, you'll be getting like this, simple one service. And if you have already installed, you will be getting multiple, so you can just rename it, and from here you can select the necessary file. So you need to locate this lmgrd. Here it says LM, then locate the license file. Okay, then click use service, and then just save it. Yes. So now basically you'll have three. One is your Flexum service one. This is for my abacus. This is for my abacus. This is Flexum service one for AutoCAD. Okay. This is my Flexum service one. So I'll be using. So 90% job is done now. Previously I have these two for abacus. Now I've got one more. So I'll just go to start server. Make sure you have selected here this one, because that is for AutoCAD. Just click start server. So don't click anything. Wait until it is completed. Server started successful. Just read the license file. It will basically check whether that server has started completely or not. So it has completed. Now, if I just go over here, I'll be getting LM tools and LM guard. This is the one that will run the software lmguard.exe. It should be there. Okay, I have two lmguard because I am running one for abacus, one for AutoCAD. So done. Just go over here and switch on your AutoCAD. It will take some time. So once you start, you'll be getting this. Click on this and wait for the pop-up. Then use network license, select it. So if you just open this is done most probably. If you just go over here Go to manage license. It will show commercial license complete. Let's say if you are getting any of the issues, let's say somehow if you are getting any problem, or after that also it is asking you to select some or enter some server data, or it is asking to put you the server name, just put 127.0.1, 127.0.1, put that one. And after that also, if it is popping out to select the license file, just click the license file selection and proceed. So you can just proceed as I have shown, or here also if you see the same procedure has been described. Select the license file, reread license file, server status, perform inquiry, server dialog done. Start your Autodesk and select single license server. So in my case, it has asked me to single license server and my AutoCAD is working. Now after that, if you are getting any other pop-up, just enter this value and selection down is installed syntax. Just enter this value, that's all done. Nothing else is required. And after that also, if something is popping out, then select the license file and navigate the license file to the same C Autodesk here. If you still have any issues, you can just contact with me. So you might get a pop-up like this. Here you just enter single license server and enter this value, then click done. And if it comes like this, select both of this and click OK. Select both of this. If something like this is popping out, then select specify license file and click next. And then from here, click browse and go to the folder of C Autodesk and Network License Manager. C Autodesk Network License Manager and select this license.lic like this. And then click next and then click finish. Your job is once it is finished, you can just work on it. I'll show you. I'll just open it once again. Just click on the new. Yeah, here we have. This is not a problem. Just continue. You can work on this. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to